Good morning, students. Now, today we will learn our lesson number 4, that is editing a Word document. Okay? See, you can guess, who can guess me that which picture is this? Yes? Anybody? Yes, it is a typewriter. Now, in the past means what? पहले के ज़माने में टाइपराइटर्स यूज़ करते थे. क्यों? क्योंकि to type a documents. Why? Because you have to type the document. The text was typed directly on the paper, which made it difficult to edit or correct mistakes. In the picture, you can see that the keys are here, and whatever you will be typing from these keys will be print on the paper. जो भी आप यहाँ से टाइप करते थे उसका प्रिंट आउट डायरेक्टली पेपर पे आ जाता था. ओके, सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट you can't do editing, you can't, or it will be, you can say, you can't edit it. It is making us difficult to edit because it is directly coming in the on the paper, or you cannot correct your mistakes. If you have make a mistake, okay, if you are making any mistake, in spelling mistake will be, or if you want to enter it, so whatever any mistake if you are doing, so that mistakes you can't do there on the typewriters. Okay, but when the word processor software allows, or when the word processor software came, the user can edit a document. Here in the word processor, there it is the best software to edit a document. Editing means what? Now what is the main thing? What is the meaning of editing? Now editing means making a changes in the document. Now word processor software, first I'll tell you what processor software allows you. The word processor software allows you to create, see, you can see here, it is used to create, edit, save, and then print. Okay, so these four things you can do in the word processor software. So here you can, because of that, here you can make, or you can make the changes, or you can edit your document if you have done any mistakes. Okay, now after that, editing means what? Making changes in the document, like cut, copy, paste, undo, redo, and select all. See, editing means what? I have written here, I have shown here in the diagram also. It is making, editing means making changes. Okay, here making changes like you can cut your, you can cut it, you can copy it, you can paste, undo, redo, and select all. Okay, now here one by one we will see in detail about these options. See, by the diagram also or by the picture also you can see that what is the meaning of that, but in detail I will tell you one by one. Okay, now first thing we will learn about how to open a saved document. How to open a saved document. In the earlier we have learned about how to create a document. You have to click on the file option, click on new, and then click on the blank document, or directly from the quick access you can click on new. Okay, so in the earlier lecture we have learned how to create a document. Okay, now you have learned about the how to save the document also. Click on the file option, then save as, then you have to type your file name, and then click on the save button. So once you have saved your document, next time when you will come, then how do you open this document? आपने गए लेक्चर में, फर्स्ट लेक्चर में, पार्ट 1 थर्ड लेसन में, ओके, आपने उसको पढ़ा है कि हाउ टू create a new file, how to save the document. Okay, so here we are learning about how to open a document, open a saved document. अगर आपने उसको सेव किया है, आपने उसको एक फाइल नेम दिया है, ओके, एक पर्टिकुलर फाइल नेम या फिर एक फोल्डर बना के उसमें एक फाइल नेम, सो हाउ विल ओपन दैट सेव्ड डॉक्यूमेंट. नाउ opening, word allows you to open an older document if it is been saved. अगर उसको सेव किया है, if you are not saved then it will not come, but if you are saved with a particular name you can open that file. Now see, word allows, what is the steps for it? Click on the file option. Okay, after clicking on the file option, then you have to click on the open. So click on the file menu, then click on the open option. Now here, see, here this window will come. You can see this window. Yes. Now you can see here the browse option is given. And select a document and click on open. The document can now be edited. Now first thing see, here by default, if you are saved in the document, then you have to go to the document option, browse, and then document, whichever file name you are given, you have to click on that file name and then say open. Okay, afterwards, okay, understood? Then next, select a word. To make a changes in the document, you have to select the text. To make a changes in the document, suppose changes means what I have told you, editing means what, changes in a document, so you have to select the text. Hence we shall first learn how to select the text. Now see, here one paragraph is written, some 4 to 5 lines are written, so if I want to select a word, okay, so how to select a word? You have to select a text, double click the word to select it. Here I had selected one word, that is double, so you have to click from your mouse, double click, so you can select it, or click on the left mouse button. With the help of the mouse you can click on the left mouse button and drag through the word to select it, so whichever word you want. Okay, suppose if you want shift, this word to be selected, then you have to put your cursor, okay, here before that, and by the help of the mouse, left mouse button, you have to drag it. Like that also you can select it. Understood? Next, we'll learn about how to select a line. Press and hold the control key. Now lines means one line, two line, whichever, how much lines you want. So you can press the control key and click the left mouse button anywhere on the line to select. Now suppose I want from the second line, so I will keep my cursor here from the second line, okay, and then I'll press the control key from the keyboard, and also with that both at the same time left mouse button, and I will select that two lines or two or more lines. Okay, select. Next is select all the text. Now all the text means what? Full paragraph. How much paragraph you are written in one page. If you want to select that, then there are options that you can press from the keyboard Control plus A both at the same time. Okay, there is one key that it is known as Control CTRL. It will be written as CTRL, and with that at the same time you have to press A. Correct? Now see here, you can see that it is selected. So with that, or you can from the home tab, okay, click on the select button in the editing group. There is a editing group, so you can see here editing group. I will show you. This is your editing group. Okay, in that there is a option. See, you can see the option select yes. So you have to click on that beside arrow is the side by. Okay, after clicking on that select, okay, you will get the option that is select all. You have to press that from the mouse with the help of mouse, or you can directly press from the keyboard Control A. Okay, next is insert text. Next is insert text. Now insert text, to insert any word or sentence within the text you have already typed. Now suppose there is one thing that if you are type one paragraph and you have forgotten to write, or you have forgot to write any one line or any word, so you have to click, or you have to move your cursor or the insertion point first there, and then start writing. Okay, and last is the delete text. Delete command helps to correct the typing mistakes. Move the cursor before the first letter to be deleted. Press the backspace key as often you need to until all the wrong text is deleted. Or you can also select the portion to be deleted and then press the delete key. The delete key too can be used for deleting the text. Now see here, I'll explain you once again. Welcome to Sites Based Simple and Easy Learning. Now see, my cursor is where after the simple. Put the cursor after text. So if I'll press the backspace key to delete left side text, so I have to keep my cursor here and then I can press the backspace key. So after welcome to Sites Bay simple, that if I'll press the backspace key, it will all go. It will be all deleted. And in the second sentence, welcome, same thing is written. My cursor is before learning. Okay, so if I'm pressing the delete key to delete right side text, okay, so my learning option, learning text will go. Understood? Yes? Okay. Thank you.